Hello everyone, today's tutorial will be on this eye look. It's Smokey golden glittery eyeshadow look. There is no winged eyeliner and there is no cut crease in this tutorial. It's a beginner friendly tutorial. If you're searching for a beginner friendly eyeshadow tutorial, then please keep watching. As my makeup palette, I'm using this Faces Canada palette and I would be picking brown eyeshadow from this palette. I'm using Pro Art PE29 brush and packing the eyeshadow on my outer V. Cover your outer V. Along with the outer V, I would be slowly taking it to the crease. Pat and then move the brush in circular motion for smokiness to appear. Next, I'm picking this golden eyeshadow. Yellow golden. I'm applying it on the eye mid. I would take it to the eye inner corner. From eye start till eye mid is what you're supposed to pack and push it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. I'm not drawing a winged eyeliner. I would stop here and blend using black eyeshadow. There is no black eyeshadow in Faces Canada palette. I'm picking it from some other palette and applying it on my outer V to intensify my outer V. Pick a soft black eyeshadow, not a very dark black eyeshadow. Intensity of the black eyeshadow should be soft and not very dark. Blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I'm using glitter. You'll find link to this palette in the description below, and placing it above the golden eyeshadow to make it glittery. Nykaa Black Magic Kajal I'm coating on my waterline. Next, I'm smudging the kajal on my lower lash line. I'm using a flat brush, a very small flat brush. Move the brush back and forth to smudge. Next, I'm using Lakme Iconic Mascara to intensify my eyelashes. Move the wand in upward direction multiple times. And when applying on lower lashes, hold it vertically. Use tip of the wand when applying eyelashes on lower lashes for easy application. Lastly, I'm using this eyeshadow to highlight my brow bone, and it's done. This is the final look. If you like the tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel. If you hold any queries, then put them forward in the comment box below. I'll reply to all the queries. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Thanks for your time. Take care and bye.